What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Han and...
Are you gonna say my name for me?
Hang on. Alright, welcome back to On the Couch with Han
and Shuks.
And today we are introducing our very new member of the family.
She's sleeping right now. Her name is... Oprah!
Her idea.
Yes, I wanted to call her Oprah. She just...
First of all, full disclosure, I have no idea. A week ago, I had no idea about how to look after a kitten or a cat. I knew nothing about them. And in the last week, in the last five nights, I've learned so much. So why don't we talk about that first night when we first brought her home?
I got the kitten from my mom's because her cat had a litter, had babies.
As they do.
Yeah, and I took one of them, and Oprah is one of them.
A kitten or a cat is something that I never even thought about having in my life. So we put her into the bathroom to start off. Let her get accustomed to the environment, get comfortable. Brought her little home, and she was chilling in there. And then we slowly let her explore the rest of the house.
It took her a while. With cats as well, you have to make sure you give them time. So we gave her time to really come out when she was ready and explore the rest of the apartment. On the first day, she seemed quite shy, but it didn't take her long to come out and...
Shy but loud. She's very loud.
She's loud. She loves to talk. We call it talking. She loves to talk. If she needs anything, if she needs to go to the litter, to the toilet, she'll announce that.
To the world.
She'll let
to the
you
neighbors.
know. She'll let you know she needs to go to the toilet. She'll let you know if she's hungry. She'll let you know if she wants to play. She'll let you know. You just have to make sure you listen to your kitten and know what they want.
So she'll go from running around 100 miles an hour to having a cat nap, to waking up, running to the toilet, handling her business, eating some food, drinking some milk, and then she's ready to play. That's when you know she's ready to play.
Last night, she walked out of the kitty litter with poo on her paws.
Which has definitely been the most challenging moment.
She had poo on her paws. And she went on my chest.
I'm sitting over there, all of a sudden Shuks is like, why do you smell like poo?
I'm on my laptop doing my work and she just comes and lies on my chest and she's like sniffing me and I'm sniffing her back. And I realized that she smelled like poo. She smelled like poo. I was like, what the? Why do you smell like poo?
Which led to her first wash.
And the cats can clean up, like they can clean themselves up. You don't need to give them a bath all the time. You might want to give them a bath once a month and you have to use the proper shampoo or soap that's made for them, not the ones you would use on your body.
We just used water.
So I knew she would stay clean because she can clean herself, but she smelled like poo and I was like, that's not right.
That's not right.
That's not right. What's going on here? So I gave her a mini bath, but she was fine then afterwards, and we realized there was poo on the carpet and it was a mess, but she's a kitten.
All sorted now. Everything is sorted. Everything is smelling clean. And here we are.
Should we go into playtime? She loves playing. She loves playing. When she's not sleeping and eating, she's playing.
It's pretty accurate. I've got a question for you. Why Oprah?
Why Oprah? Why Oprah? It's
Why
so
Oprah?
I don't know, the name Oprah. It's so easy to It's so easy to say, you know, when she does something, it would be like, Oprah, Oprah, Oprah.
Because initially it was Sahara. She's
Yeah.
got that little deserty color
She looks
as well.
She looks like a, yeah, she has this brown, so beautiful.
Oprah is easier to say than
Oprah,
Sahara.
Oprah,
Sahara.
Oprah, Oprah, Oprah. Oh, she's waking up. I'm sorry, I woke her up.
Good morning, Oprah.
What is her favorite? I'm asking Han. What is her favorite toy? Do you know which one her favorite toy is? Don't wake her up.
It's the first time I've ever picked it up and she hasn't pounced at this thing right here.
She loves that one. But also, I think she likes
I wish that was her favorite toy.
the
She needs to start
elephant more.
scratching that post more than she scratches the couch and puts her claws into the couch.
She loves everything that makes a sound. So with cats, you have to make sure you have plenty of toys lying around for them too. Especially one that she can scratch.
Yeah, we'll get a proper scratching post, big one that she can climb up and all that good stuff. Talk about the couch for a sec, yeah?
Okay.
So my solution was to put inside out masking tape around the couch. And it worked. For the time that it's stuck on the couch, she was kind of like, what is that?
It did work. It did get her off the couch, wanting to scratch the couch. Cats can live up to, I'll let you guess,
20 max.
20. Yeah. Some can live up to 20.
Max.
Yeah.
Since we're on facts, what about the fun fact about cats jumping off buildings more than 7 stories high?
Wow. We have our windows closed at all times so that she doesn't jump off.
We're on level 22, by the way.
22. all
Pretty
the way
high,
up.
pretty high. So apparently they did this big experiment more than 100 years ago where if the cat jumped off higher than 7 stories, then they would relax, their body would turn into a parachute and they would survive. But under 7 stories, they'd get injured or not survive. So we're not going to test that out. That's why we've been keeping the windows wide shut.
Yeah.
But isn't that interesting?
That's crazy. Wow.
No experimenting.
Some people tend to trim the nails, and some people don't like trimming their cat's nails. So you can pick whether you want to trim it. So the trimming is very different to
Declawing.
declawing.
When I talk about.
Okay, so there's another fun fact that cats favor one person in the
What?
family. We're still competing.
Are we? Usually, favor the one that spends the most time with them, the one that plays with them more, the one that feeds them more.
Of course.
I can definitely say that you've had your fair share of playing with Oprah from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
We work till late, so because we work till late, we have time to play with her.
Well, you do.
I do later in the evening, so I'll be doing my work and playing with her. That's why this thing comes in handy, because you can multitask. So you could be doing your work and going.
Which we've been hearing a whole lot of.
She loves that thing. She hasn't picked.
She hasn't picked.
She hasn't picked anyone
We'll
yet.
keep you guys posted.
Let you know.
Who do you think she'll favor? Leave a comment.
So far, so good. She loves getting into the plants.
Yeah, so the solution is that masking tape back to front. They don't like masking tape.
Did you hear about how you need to brush cat's teeth?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I heard about that a few minutes ago actually.
Yeah, some people brush their cat's teeth just like our teeth. They need
Hopefully
to get...
not with your own toothbrush.
No, not with your own toothbrush. I'm sure they
And not
have.
with mine.
They have the cutest teeth ever. Have you looked at Oprah's teeth?
They look like tiger teeth.
Like-
And apparently these little creatures get very territorial when you bring in other animals and different species into their environment. So you know, I guess we're not gonna get a puppy until we get a backyard. So she's got some time to make this place her home.
Yeah, she can get used to us giving her all the attention. And if you have people visiting, make sure they give your kitten some space so that they're not all up in her face. That will only scare the kitten away. And they're just so cute, you can't resist grabbing and touching and cuddling her. So
Yeah.
why are you laughing? How is that funny?
I think we should talk about after the first night. So after the first night, one of the hardest things that we've had to do so far is ignore her cries and her meows and her shuks, and just ignore it and not come to her. And it's worked well. I think she's become accustomed to you know, the lack of attention during bedtime, and she's been doing pretty well with it. You know, she wakes up in the morning, she makes a bit of noise, and then she comes and eats, drinks her milk mixed with water.
Speaking of milk, make sure you don't give your kitten cow milk. No. They have their own milk.
And no breast milk. Alright, and no...
they have their own cat milk. So if you don't have that, just give her water. Give him or her water and food. So dry food, it's fine as long as it's kitten food.
We found that she hasn't been drinking much water, just plain water. So we've been mixing kitten milk that you can get from the supermarket with a bit of water, probably more water than milk, and she's been enjoying that. But we want to slowly reduce the milk and you know, have more water so that she eventually just drinks water.
So make sure she eats the right stuff, give your cat the right food, the right attention, playtime.
Give yourself the right food, give yourself the right attention and playtime. Treat yourself, treat your cat, don't cheat yourself, don't cheat your cat.
Are we talking about yourself or the cat here? We're talking
It's all combined, you know, we're all one. We're all one.
I'm talking about the cat, so... Oh my god. You should see how she's sleeping. Oh my god.
They say that if you don't want your kitten sharing your bed with you every single night, then all you need to do is remove her from the bed, and it might not happen the first, second, third time, or even the 10th time, but by the time you get to 30, 40, 50 repetitions of removing her from your bed, she'll get the point. Repetition is the mother of all skill, my people. She's part of the family now, so
she's the new family member.
And we're signing out. It is Han, Shuks, and Oprah.